Me know say enough for you come on my house opening for them free food, but you don't know say a long time they are foreign. I waste money on clothes and car. I'm want to big up my woman over there, so because she come in my life and tell me say stop waste my money on fuckery. I know I own 5 house, thanks to she. Look at yourself, babes. Love you. Mwah.
Yes, I chew my talk. Baby, know me there, I wonder.
What?
When you go come out of the crew, I make you open up some business.
Business? Me tell us I want a pussy clot business. A drugs me I sell till the day me die.
But Steve, you still need one business.
My girl, you serious right now? Me no want a business. Me and my crew good.
You know, I can still remember when it was just me and you. Suddenly, it turned you and your crew. Forget everything about your boo.
Yeah, and it a go stay that way. Come out of my bum bucklad car and go on the house go sleep. Me a go road. And though me ever hear you mention nothing about my crew again. You hear me? Me always have my Glock in my waist. Rest for my cocky. You don't have to worry about me. At the street, me say.
Alright, Steve.
Oh boy. I wish you woulda treat me like your black. I woulda love it if you keep me from cock.
Go along on your blood clot.
I wish you woulda treat me like your yacht. Keep me wet while the waves them a rock. Why you can't stay up for me like the corner and keep your lips for me like your marijuana? I woulda love it if you treat me like the club. Stay up in on me whole night just a bump and grind and rock. You don't understand what your woman needs from her man. While you're up on the street all the time, just bear this in mind, boy.
Steve, me take the pregnancy test, but me no look pan it yet because I want you be the first to know if we're pregnant.
Y'all me tell us I want to pick me from you? Me tell us I want to pick me from you?
Steve, you make me drop out of college and help you buy the house them. And me just think of time now for we start one like a family. Is all that?
Me no care about that. Me got a club last night and me meet the hot gal and she say she a bad bitch. So me a move you out and me a go move in the bad bitch. So more you come out of my house.
And where the girl still a do ya, Steve? No, Steve, no. Me can't believe you do this to me, Steve. Me. After everything I do for you, Steve.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Come out of my bum bucket. Come out of my house.
No, Steve. Please. After everything I do for you, Steve. No, Steve. Yes, kick out the girl and put me in here. Set up the place. After everything
Come out of my house. You do what? You do it for me. Come out of my bum bucket house.
No, Steve.
Dog, you really snitch for me? Alright. Oh, suck your mother after I'm not going to prison. Pussy will snitch boy for dead. Dead snitch, dead.
Oh my, Steve get shot. Me a come, Steve, me a come. Steve is crippled and he won't be able to walk again. He can't walk, then he would dead? Yes, he look like him would cripple too. Me no dead old boy, you can't take him. Steve.
These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. Then you need for sure that the love we have where it takes so much effort to build. You about to blow that. But just like a played out jersey, you about to get through back.
Hey girl, the things that you help me that gonna make me like you. Come out of my big house.
I wish you woulda treat me like a ounce. Me know you're not like that when you bounce. You shoulda the woman knock boots like your Timbs. Need for act older than the size of your rims. I wish you woulda stay.
How the fuck you think you talk to?
Oh, you mean that?
Make sure say she come feed you, yeah? See her nyamar, you dirty ras. Nyam the bitch.
Nyam girl.
Fucking bright. Steve, why you smell like that?
Do that myself.
Your bad bitch couldn't come over here come change you.
I'm a bad bitch.
You're too blood clot nasty. Come, you need to go bed. Girl, and go bed.
Now you understand what I was trying to say to my man. Why you didn't dip on the grind? You should have feared this in my life. The street them not give a damn. Bang little bang, I just the place where you feel the fun. I fall in love with the corner. You can't see me never want ya. These streets don't love you. You know these streets don't love you. They God do.
You make me shit up myself. I ain't not give me nothing for eat.
Me make a shit up herself, so we a bad bitch there.
She left me call me cripple.
Jesus, if you're not busy, come here for me now, please. Feed your damn self, you favorite idiot.
Please don't leave me. I'm hungry.
You know the streets don't love you like I do.